Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at Simply Megan Plans, and also subscribe to me here on my YouTube channel. I post lots every single day on Instagram, and I post at least one video per day here on YouTube. I am using this new book I just got, Wellness Planning, and it has a lot of orange and brown. So I really wanted to use it in my journal this week. So I'm excited. I don't know how I never got this book, but I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get started. Since this is my journal, I don't have necessarily things that I need to, I don't need to have boxes for any specific reason. Like I guess what I'm trying to say is there's no functional part of this planner. It's more, I want to put this sideways. I really want to use this. Okay. There's not stickers that I need to put down functionally. It's all just for journaling purposes, But now that I'm going to be using wellness this week, there are some stickers in here that can be functional, like my mood and, whatever. So we'll take a look at those stickers in a second. I really like these two big orange stickers. This is my, what is this called? Uniball Signo white gel pen. I got it as a pack of 3 on Amazon, and it's in my Amazon favorites, which is always linked in the description of all of my videos if you want to check that out. Okay, so there's that. Cute. I love huge quotes. I cannot not use them. Okay, so let me see. Ways I'm adding to my career wellness, mental wellness, spiritual wellness. Ooh, emotional wellness, physical wellness, and social wellness. I like it. Okay, I'm going to use this one and put it on Monday. I'm going to put whatever challenge I want to do this week. We'll see. This week's habit. Definitely want to do that. So I'll put that on maybe Thursday morning. I really, I always feel like I have to put habit trackers in the sidebar, but it really doesn't necessarily have to be like that. Today I feel, today in a word, today was, look at these. These are so fun. Put it over here. Today in a word. I'll put it down here. I like these because that's pretty much what I put in my journal, or things that I'm feeling and stuff like that. Exercise today, I'm going to put on Wednesday. today's mood. So many things. I never use this many, but I never use this many like random little prompt stickers, but that's what the wellness book is. So I'm gonna do it. Today in a word, busy day. Let's see what else. Love those. Write a thankful note. Okay, here's wellness tasks. Turn off your phone, spend time with a friend, plant something, make a healthy meal, journal about the day, drink plenty of water, write a thankful note to someone, set a small attainable goal, go on a walk. I'm going to put that as my exercise thing for Wednesday. Dabble in a hobby. Clean and declutter your space. Look at these. Do a social media free day. Plan a night in with friends. Take a stretch break. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails. Dude, I need to do that. Read a favorite book. Develop rituals. All right, what day am I going to unsubscribe from unwanted emails? I'm going to do that on Saturday. That is like something I really want to do. I never really thought of that as being something good for my wellness though. Okay, and now these are all the same, but they just have a different background. Social media free day. Evening reflection. I'm going with orange. Evening reflection. I'm going to put that at the bottom of Thursday. And then I also like this kind of spot for a reflection. Oh, and here's morning reflection. I'm going to do it. Okay. On Tuesday. Okay, here's more like quotes and stuff. Today I feel, unplug, donate, declutter, deep clean, journal. Oh, I like this. Okay, this says journal, and I'm going to put it in the top corner because that's what this is for me. This is fun. You get to determine how good or bad your day is. There's purpose in this season. Checking in, lazy day, relaxing weekend. I'm going to put, yeah, I'll put relaxing weekend. Noted, don't live life impressing others. I'm going to put this box where I can write stuff out on Sunday. And okay, this reflection, I'm going to put on top of this noted. I'm loving these colors. Flow, don't force. One thing at a time, busy day, live simply. I like that, live simply. I'm gonna put that on Friday. And this corner to go on top of it. Small steps lead to big results. I don't think I have any room for anything big, but maybe I'll do another quote or something. Let's see. I like this box. Put that on Saturday morning, and then put a coffee cup with it. Out of seasonal fall, there's a lot of coffee cups. So I'm gonna put a big one. And then even a small one on Monday. All right, I'm gonna put this kind of overlapping each other, and then something right there, something small. You do you. I like that. Oh, I love these quotes. Has a lot of copper in it, and I really like. Well, I need to be in the mood for it. Like I don't like a lot of if you've been following me for a while or subscribed to me here, I'm really weird about using foil a lot of the time, but sometimes I really, really like it. I really wish I could use this Just Begin, but I don't think I have a spot for it. I really just want something small right there. So I'm feeling this You Do You, because then it kind of like overlaps. That's good. Busy doing nothing is funny. Right now there's a little bit too much stickers. I mean, not too much, but there's a good amount. I don't want to do too much because then I don't have any room to do my journaling, you know? So I'm going to stop here. I like it. It was like really easy to make decisions with this book because there's already so many things to choose from as far as things for my journal. So I think I'm going to try to start using a wellness sticker book at least once a month in my journal. I like it. And it's also kind of fall, you know, there's a lot of orange and brown, a little bit of burnt red kind of color. So I like it. All right, all done. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.